I hope you lot are doing absolutely wonderful. Today we're going to do some lemony, garlicky chicken skewers done in the air fryer, but nice little summery recipe that you can throw together, even cook them on the barbecue outside, and this is how you do it. So we're going to start off by just prepping our vegetables. Going to leave them quite chunky because we're going to be skewering them up. So that's the kind of size we're looking for on the veggies. Nice little chunky pieces. Veggies are all chopped up. Now for the chicken, we've got 3 chicken breasts. Kind of about, that's the size we're looking for. Chicken all nicely chopped up. So chicken and vegetables prepped. We're going to move on to our dressing or marinade sauce, whatever you want to call it. It's garlicky lemon and herb dressing. So we have got 7 cloves of garlic here, to be specific, but tweak it to your own taste. Just run the knife through it, hack through it. We're going to get that into our bowl. What we're going to put into the garlic is juice of 2 lemons and the zest of 2 lemons. Want it to be really pungent, really garlicky, really lemony, some big bold flavours. Add in about a tablespoon of mixed herbs. Give it a little bit of kick with some chilli flakes, about a teaspoon. Salt and black pepper. Olive oil in, probably about 5 tablespoons. Load of fresh parsley in there as well. You could absolutely use whatever herbs you want as well. Get a bit of sage in there, a bit of tarragon, a bit of basil, a bit of coriander. Give this all a good mix around now. And what you've got there is a really simple lemony, garlicky, herby dressing to coat that chicken in. So we've got everything prepped up now, and it really is just a matter of assembling all this together and bringing it together on a few skewers. So I'm going to use half of this marinade or dressing, tip it over the chicken and peppers and onions, and save the other half till later. Just get your hand in there and mix it all around with your hands if you want. Make sure everything's getting a bit of coating, a bit of seasoning, and you want it to look something like that. You see the chicken's getting a bit of all sorts on there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start to skewer this up. Got some of these little metal skewers. That can go in the air fryer. So obviously make a little bit of a conscious effort to make it look presentable. So like put everything on in a different order. Like pepper, bit of chicken, red onion, another pepper, bit of chicken. It's probably just a bit of a labour of love now, just assembling them all together. Perfect for a barbecue though, these. Even better on the barbecue than in the air fryer. And that, you want them to look something like that. Now I'm using chicken breasts for these, but you could absolutely use whatever protein, whatever meat you want. Halloumi would work well. You could use chunks of beef, chunks of steak, chunks of pork, whatever takes your fancy really. So they're all skewered up nicely now. They look pretty damn good. Now if the weather was there, I'll be whacking them straight on the barbecue, but I'm gonna stick them in the air fryer. So get them into the air fryer basket and we'll get them whacked in the air fryer. So these have been going for 10 minutes at 190, and as you can see, they're already got a little bit of char on them. But what we're gonna do now is give them a flip over, give them a baste in there. Then we'll get them back in the air fryer for the remaining 5 minutes. And then they'll be cooked nicely. So 5 minutes later, they're gonna look something like that. So let's get them out and just look at the absolute state of those. Get them plated up nice, looking good. And if you want, just to give them a little bit of a glossy finish, make them look pretty, get some of that lemony, garlicky oil on there as well. Give them a nice shine. Of course, give them a taste test. A bit more salt, pepper if necessary. And just look at that. A bit more fresh parsley on there, a bit of colour. And it really is as simple as that. And there we have it. Lemony, garlicky, chicken skewers done in the air fryer, but could very easily be done on the barbecue as well. Nice little summer recipe, and look at the state of them.